Alright, good morning. Are you ready? We're gonna make congee today. It's basically overcooked rice, and it's a very common dish in Asia. So let's jump right to it. Let me see if you have all the right ingredients. Okay, you have jasmine rice, that's good. Ginger, we won't need as much, but better safe than sorry. Okay, shiitake mushrooms, our umami enhancer for the meal, very good. And for the toppings? Okay, you have pink peanuts, white sesame seeds. You can mix in some black ones too, if you have them. Green onion, absolute must, very good. Coriander, yep. White peppercorns, very good. Naturally brewed soya sauce. And freshly made sesame oil, beautiful. If you didn't have it, you can always swap for regular store-bought sesame oil, but this is really good. Okay, well, let's get to prepping then. Start with the ginger. No need to peel it yet, just cut a few slices. 4 or 5 will do fine. Show them to me? Yeah, that's alright. Next up, shiitake. You want to basically break them down into bite-sized pieces. Yeah, something like that. You can use the knife, but actually if you use your hands, I think it'll be easier. See? Okay, perfect. Just like that. Okay. Now you gotta wash your rice. So grab a metal bowl or a colander will do, and thoroughly, and I mean thoroughly, wash the rice. You don't want to eat stinky rice, trust me. Okay. Well, now grab any kind of pressure cooker. You've got an Instant Pot, that's perfect. So just throw the rice, ginger, mushrooms inside and pour the water in. Now you want to use a 7:1 ratio of water to rice. So for every cup of rice, you want to use 7 cups of water. And lastly, just add a flat teaspoon of salt. Just don't overdo it at this stage because we will be adding soya sauce later. Okay, so since you're using the Instant Pot, you can just hit the porridge button and that's it. It's the perfect setting for cooking congee. So considering it's gonna take a while to reach that desired pressure, you should be prepared for about an hour-long cook time. And that of course gives you plenty of time to prepare the toppings. So start with ginger again, but this time you want to peel it. So grab a teaspoon and get your hands dirty. Okay, yeah, just like that. So not too much pressure, just enough to scrape the skin off. And you should easily be able to reach all the tight spots like this. Yeah, that's good. Good job. See, the spoon works. Okay, so now cut it into slices first. Not too thick, keep it reasonably thin. Yeah, that's enough. Now stack them on top of each other and turn them into nice long ginger sticks. Very good. Okay, next up, green onions. And nothing special here, just chop them into a sprinkleable confetti. Try to keep it thin. Okay, next up, grab a pan and put the heat to medium. Throw in your pink peanuts, and while the pan and the peanuts are getting hot, you want to start peeling off their skins. Now, they should come off easily, especially after they get a little warmer, but it is going to be a bit tedious. Shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes though. Okay, well done, yeah, they're looking good. Now you can set them aside and you have an induction here, so just turn off the heat and what we're gonna do is we're gonna roast the sesame seeds on the residual heat of that pan and of that induction stove. So if you had gas, I would probably want you to keep the heat to minimum because sesame seeds are very delicate and they burn easily. So if you toss them around on your hot pan until they just turn golden, they will come out perfect. Yeah, that's good. You could have kept them like half a minute longer, but this is fine. Okay, now grab a mortar and pestle and drop your white peppercorns inside and just turn them into a powder. Remember, you're not trying to grind them, you want to pound them. So up and down motion, letting the pestle do the work. Yeah, very good. That will do. Perfect. Okay. Well, now you can relax and just try not to think about how hungry you are, because we're going to be waiting for another 25 minutes for the natural pressure release to elapse. Okay, 25 minutes elapsed, we can finally open our pressure cooker. So make sure to let residual pressure out, if there is any, and get the lid open. Just be careful, there's going to be a lot of steam, and watch out for the camera! Yeah, okay, just wipe it off with something and let's get to plating. Start by layering a generous amount of congee into the bowl. Yeah, give it one more scoop. Yeah, that's it. And now with the toppings. Grab a generous bunch of your spring onions, some of your crunchy ginger sticks, a handful of your roasted peanuts. you dropped one there. A bit of sesame seeds. Okay, then sprinkle some white pepper. And then we're gonna add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Yep, that's a splash, okay. Then in with the sesame oil, around 1 tablespoon. And last but not least, I know you like your food spicy, so you can top it off with a bit of your homemade chili oil. This is totally optional, but I know you like it, so go for it. Oh, and my bad, that was not the last step. You still need to sprinkle your poorly looking coriander. Yeah, okay, and well, that's it. Now you have a complete bowl of congee. Look at that beauty. No, it looks really good. You did good today. Nice looking and nice tasting bowl of congee. And remember, next time you're making it, the toppings are entirely up to you, so go crazy, be creative. Pleasure cooking with you. Enjoy your congee. Till next time.